When did you start the business? And at what point did you actually come to realization that, hey, I want to franchise this? If you could go back and give yourself one piece of advice, right, in the earlier years, what would you give yourself that advice? How did you learn about the franchise system, like franchising is possible? For anyone that's out there considering to franchise their business, what advice would you give them? All right, you want to introduce yourself, please?
Adriana Rayon, owner of Petit Spa.
Great. When did you start the business?
18 years ago.
And at what point did you actually come to realization that, hey, I want to franchise this?
Actually, I decided about 3 years ago. It has been a long journey for me. There's a whole lot behind the story of my spa. I decided to franchise because I think it would be a great opportunity for other women like me to be able to have and own such an amazing, magical business where you have time to enjoy with your children and only work during the weekends and make enough money to cover all of your expenses. I think it's time for me to grow. I made a decision because I would like my name, now that it's well established, to be all over the country. I would love to have more locations in Miami where I live, maybe even up north in Boca or West Palm, but I think that it's time for others to have the opportunity to open in California, Tampa, anywhere in the country. I would love to have my name that is well prepared to spend.
Love that. So you ran the business for 18 years. You have a lot of key insights. If you could go back and give yourself one piece of advice, right, in the earlier years, what would you give yourself that advice?
My advice would be pretty much not doubt myself so much that this type of business can be so successful. When I first opened, I thought it was going to be more like a hobby. I didn't think it would make this much, and I should have stand way before that I am doing now.
You wish you started franchising sooner.
Way sooner. I'm late.
Yeah. How did you learn about the franchise system, like franchising is possible?
I was actually reached out by people. I was reached out by brokers. They said, your concept is amazing. I think that you should expand. I didn't believe in it. And I started searching, getting information, costs, and what it involves. I started doing homework in terms of my logo and trademarks and copyrights. It's something that I can look into, and I made the decision 2 years ago, and I'm here.
I love that. So for anyone that's out there considering to franchise their business, what advice would you give them?
You should consider, not only because of it's my spa, but take a look at my website, take a look at what I do. It's a no-brainer. Any business with children is just 100% great investment. Invest in anything that has to do with children. I just will be so happy to share a lot of my background with you, but go for it.
Go for it. All right. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hey, that was great. Do you want to franchise your business and take it to a whole new level? Click the link below to schedule a free consultation today.